Today we're going to be taking you all throughout Siem Reap. Last time we checked in, we had just arrived to Phnom Penh, where we actually spent the entire last week relaxing, chilling out, and taking a break from all our recent travels. Even though we were a little bit hesitant about going out to explore due to all the political unrest and the country's elections coming up, Tyler did make a stop at the Killing Fields.
It's a very emotional place, I would say, to visit. I'm not doing a lot of filming because I just don't feel that comfortable filming all of that, just out of respect. Very sad to see that this happened not too long ago. If you're in the area, definitely recommend. It's just crazy to see that part of Cambodia and the history here.
From visiting Angkor Wat this morning to some really great places to eat and just in general some other places to explore. We're just like walking around on the grass. And there's literally no one else walking in the grass. Deborah, Tyler, you're in Cambodia. Why are you eating Mexican food?
And make sure you have your...
Oh my god, that's the biggest worm.
Whoa.
So we actually already stopped at our first stop of the day, which was a really cute bakery right downtown near Pub Street in Siem Reap. Our second stop of the day is here at Angkor Wat Enterprises, which is where you have to stop in order to get your tickets to enter all of the temples, including Angkor Wat. And now that Tyler's done peeing, we can actually go see Angkor Wat.
I just want to point out our very lovely faces.
Those are our tickets to get into Angkor Wat, and they literally print your photo on the ticket itself, which I've never seen before.
So you can't transfer tickets.
So yeah, some pretty great souvenirs here.
Yep. We have Mr. Brock as our tuk-tuk driver. He's very proud that it's on the side of his tuk-tuk. Okay.
Yeah, and then you visit already, you not come back here. I will do another side.
Okay, so go across.
Yeah. Here the west side.
Okay.
I will do the east side.
East side.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
We'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Okay.
Not me.
After a pretty short tuk-tuk ride, we've arrived here at Angkor Wat. Mr. Brock dropped us off at the west entrance, and we're supposed to meet him at the east entrance.
I will do the east side.
So we're gonna make our way through. It is pretty busy, and there's a lot of people checking tickets, so make sure you stop at that ticket place to get a ticket. We did not hire a guide, only because personally, we like to just enjoy things and explore them on our own, but there's a ton of guides you can hire waiting for you out front. We're gonna go check it out. I think so far the craziest part is just walking across this like floating dock, and it's so like squishy, you can just feel it like going down with each step.
Let's hope we don't have to go swimming today.
That one's so big.
Yeah. Complex.
I don't want him to get mad at me.
Did you get scared?
Yeah. Wow.
I think this is the busy part. As we toured Angkor Wat, we couldn't help but notice how beautiful and how large the entire area actually was. Angkor Wat is known to be the largest religious monument in the entire world, and it's even featured on the Cambodian flag. As we walked around and explored, we were truly left in awe at just how large and grand and intricate every corner was. I think another crazy part is we're just like walking around on the grass.
We asked a guide where like the exit.
The east entrance to find Mr. Brock.
I will do the east side.
And he said, oh, just walk through the grass over there. Okay.
Okay. And there's literally no one else walking in the grass. I think it's okay. There's like a path. It's like beaten down.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah. It is also worth noting that the temple itself at the very top is still open to locals, which is absolutely wild. You can just see them climbing up, and like everything's still under construction.
You can see like pieces have fallen off and stuff, but they are restoring it.
It's just crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I think we're almost done, but we're gonna go check out some of the other temples because our ticket actually includes entrance to like 31 sites throughout Cambodia. We're gonna go check out a few more, and then go rest because the real feel today is like 100 degrees or something.
And Mr. Brock says he has a whole day tour planned for us. We don't really know where we're going next, but he has it all planned out for us.
We're just gonna follow Mr. Brock. Mr. Brock has brought us to stop number 2 on our adventure with him today. We've made it to Ta Prohm Temple, and he was telling us this is where I think Tomb Raider or something with...
Pretty sure he said Tomb Raider was filmed.
Yeah, so it should be pretty cool.
We're a little worried though, because everyone walking out is like dripping in sweat.
Yeah, they're so hot. Just like Angkor Wat, you have to be dressed appropriately.
And make sure you have your...
Oh my god, that's the biggest worm.
Whoa.
What?
Deborah almost walked into a silkworm.
The biggest silkworm ever. It doesn't look that big, but I promise it's big. Anyways, you have to be dressed appropriately and have your ticket. They're very strict about checking your ticket at each entrance. As we wandered around Ta Prohm, we knew it would instantly become one of our favorite temples we've ever visited. The most unique aspect of this temple is that the trees are actually growing out of the temple structures, which makes it perfect for movies like Lara Croft Tomb Raider. Now, it was a bit busier than we expected, but we were able to find some quiet corners all to ourselves where we could really enjoy the beauty of this temple.
You're welcome.
You. Mr. Brock just dropped us off at our 3rd stop of the day, which I want to say is Angkor Thom. I think that's what Mr. Brock said.
Yeah. And this is like the elephant field. So
Elephant Terrace.
Terrace. So I'm assuming there used to be elephants here. We don't see any today though.
Yeah. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. At this point in our day, we were feeling very tired and very templed out. And although Angkor Thom is truly spectacular and could easily take a few days to explore, we did our best to explore the area and saw some of the top sites in just under an hour so that we could go back to the hotel and cool down.
Thank you.
That was great, thank you.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Thank you. After Brock dropped us off back at our hotel, we realized it was pretty late and we should probably get some lunch. So we're actually right back where we started this morning, and we're gonna go head towards Pub Street and see what we find for lunch. That's where we went for breakfast.
Wow.
We ended up finding a really good Mexican place, which is right across from the Greek restaurant we ate at last night. And I know what you're thinking, Deborah, Tyler, you're in Cambodia. Why are you eating Mexican food? Well, we've been on the road for 7 months now, and we really wanted Mexican food. It's always super busy, so I feel like it has to be good. You gonna jump in over here with me? What would you rate lunch?
4.
4 out of 10?
Yeah.
Not great.
It wasn't that good.
But we decided to come back, chill out by the pool, cool off finally,
Yeah.
and just chill out for today.
Yeah. Go get a massage later.
It's raining.
That was a quick swim.
Yeah, I think we should go. We're gonna go. It's getting so windy too.
Oh my gosh, is it stormy?
Alright guys, after having dinner last night on Pub Street, where we had some very interesting crocodile pizza, and going out to breakfast today, you are not gonna believe who we found. Mr. Brock.
You know where that is? Yeah, I know. Okay. We got Mr. Brock again. We found him on our way to breakfast this morning, and he said he'll meet us at 12.
Best driver.
Join the team there. Enjoy your tour.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, welcome. You.
Thank you.
On the right time. Yes.
Our one adventure today is somewhere actually super unique to Cambodia, and it wasn't on our list until we drove by it yesterday, but we're really happy we came, and that is visiting the Apopo Rat Mine Center. So you actually get to come in for an $8 tour. They tell you all about the work that they're doing to help recover the land in Cambodia. Back in the day, Cambodia was actually covered with over 6 million landmines. And right now they're using the rats to help uncover where these landmines are, and it's just absolutely incredible what these rats are doing. There's one rat named MacGyver that's like the best rat ever, and he cleared like 62 football fields so that this land is reusable again and safe for people to walk and run and play on. And most importantly, it's able to be farmed again. Now, if you come here, you not only get to see the rats in action, but you also get to hold the rats. You watch these movies that tell you even more about Cambodia's history and the work that they're doing to clear these fields. And you can even adopt a rat yourself.
She's over here with you, and you can hold her. She's 4 years old, and she's 1.2 kilograms. So,
Okay.
yeah. Yes, you can do it.
Oh my gosh.
It's crazy.
How you feeling, Tyler?
Just keeps
No,
licking
me.
me.
Licking.
Yeah.
Salty from the sweat.
Crazy.
Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna try it with all.
What do I do?
Nice.
Run some.
Close to your body, yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, just kidding. Apopo is a company that was founded in Tanzania, and these rats are actually imported from there, and it costs $7,000 to train each rat for about 9 months to about a year. Once these rats are out in the field, they have an extremely great sense of smell, and they go along on this rope and detect where these landmines are so that people can come in and dispose or get rid of that landmine to make the area safe again. It's truly an incredible thing to come learn about. If you're in Siem Reap or other parts of Cambodia, I highly recommend that you check out their locations and come for a visit. It was really informational and really puts into perspective how different of a world it is here. If you are interested in helping out their mission or in adopting a rat, I'll put the link below for you guys. We always try to do one good deed, so I think that's gonna be ours for the week. We're headed to the airport now, so as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Bye. After a pretty short tuk-tuk ride,
Right.
we're looking pretty derpy too, so that's great.
Oh, we're okay.
Oh, no,
Thank
it's
you.
okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Monkey came running at us.
He's just sitting. You're running away.
Yeah, I wouldn't look at him too much.